Richard Abraham Herder, Solingen. Or in short, Rahsol. Rahsol, Doppelmausschlüsselsatz. I mean double open-end wrench set, 8 pieces, chromium vanadium steel, chrome plated, formed after DIN 3110. Standardized tool, professionally, reasonable, a German product with Gedore warranty. Wow, this is confident. Warranty for best material and professional workmanship. The norm for good tools. Environmentally friendly packaged. These sizes are included. And you know what? I think I kinda believe them. But let me take a knife and have a look inside. There we have our 8 hefty pieces of steel. Oh, how I like those old matte finishes. They really look great and have a sheen. This structure is really good against slipping out of your greasy palms. This embossing is perfectly sharp. Number 5, Rahsol Norm, made in Germany. What a beauty! And now comes the close-up. The sheen is so strong on those that the camera tends to overexpose all the time, and it reflects the light like it is covered in glitter. Let me just admire it. And next to modern-day Gedore, you can truly see the family heritage. Sadly, the past shines brighter than the present day, but that's a topic for another video. To keep this video short, I conclude these are well-made older spanners in a neat vintage box. I would suggest you also get to know older German tool brands nobody seems to care about and score some deals like this. I only paid €30 or $33, including VAT and shipping. What an awesome deal! And that wraps it up for today.